Ask any school going child, and one big challenge they all face is learning tables. Well, fret no more because this video brings an easy technique to learn all the tables from 9 to 99. There is a prerequisite to learn all the tables, and that is you should know all tables between 2 to 8, which according to me are not very tough. And even if you find them tough, please take out some time, sit back, learn them, and then watch this video. So now that you have learned all tables, just to give you a few shortcuts which you will enjoy because you know these tables by heart is that table of 2 actually just means to double the amount. Table of 3 is to double the amount and then add the same group. Table of 4 is multiply with 2 and again with 2. Double, double. Table of 5 is skip count by 5. Table of 6 is multiply by 5 and add one group. Table of 7 multiply by 5 and then by 2. 8 double double double. So instead of multiplying by 8, you could multiply the number with 2, 2 and again 2. Multiplying with 9, multiply by 10 and subtract one group. And table of 10 is very easy. Write the factor and just add a 0. For a quick recap, here are all the tables right from 1 to 10. You could read them vertically or horizontally. I think by now you have already learned them, so we will move further. Coming to the table of 9. How do we learn that? All you have to do is write all the numbers from 0 to 9, not tough, and then write the numbers in the reverse order. Well, that makes our table of 9. Another thing to remember in this table is that when you add these two numbers or any two digits in this table, the answer will always be 9, whether it is 4 plus 5 or 6 plus 3 or 8 plus 1. From here, we move on to some bigger numbers. To start with, let's look at the table of 27. Do you know it mentally? Maybe not, but after the slide, it'll be like an easy cakewalk. All you have to do is write the table of 2 on one side because 2 is on the tens place and table of 7 on the other side. Once the whole table is written, this is how it will appear. You can see this unit place of the unit digit. That number you will have to put as it is, and the middle numbers, that means the entire number from 2's table, needs to be added with the tens digit of the units place table. In this case, it is 0, 1. I hope this makes it easy. Let's just do it. So we wrote 7, which is the units place of the table of the unit place number, and we added 2 and 0. Likewise, just pick up your unit place and keep adding the other two digits and your table of 27 is ready. Looking at another example, the table of 65. Again, I think even without my telling you, you know to write the table of 6 and the table of 5. That is the first step. Because 5 is in the units place, 5 will be just picked up from here and that will be the unit place of the final answer. And for the first or 1 or 2 digits, we just add these numbers. Not very tough. Obviously, addition is much easier than multiplication. So just by simple addition, we can get the table of 65. One more example for you, the table of 80. Well, again, table of 8, table of 0, which is 0 only. So all you have to do is this number added, or with 0 is always the same number, and on the units place we add a 0. So 0 is just lifted from the table, and in the tens or tens and hundreds places comes the other two digits. Not tough again. So maths is not all that tough. You're now ready. Get set and go and do very well in maths. God bless. Happy learning.